Yo, now skip the video, yeah. Why so much children in Jamaica with autism and speech delay when we fix it with this?
If I tell you that your child that has a speech delay use this and their vocabulary begins to widen, would you believe me?
No. Is it that these parents just love to cry and don't really want to take action? We're fixing autism out here. Yes, speech delay and also children that are slow in their cognitive mind. This a product yeah, they fix it. People jump on it literally have it free. Check out the price in my captions. The COVID babies, they have slow speech delays. Yes, autism. And we're fixing it.
Parents, choose your kids today, please.
Support the foundation, the book on Amazon, on my website, the One for All Remedy, and the Clothesline. Peace, I'm out.